passion fruit. Look at that. Welcome back, everyone. So we're making passion fruit creme brulee today. One of my favorite treats is creme brulee, and I really love the flavor of passion fruit so much. I've been growing it for about 10 years now. So here's the thing, it's kind of like a messy job. It's a little labor intensive, but you know what? It is so worth it. If you don't have fresh passion fruit, I know it's kind of expensive. You can actually buy it frozen, and the job's going to be kind of similar. What we're looking to do is strain the juice away from the seeds. So I'm just putting it in a big strainer here, and we're going to load it up and do what we can to separate it. It's kind of just like a goopy mess, and I mean, if you've done this, you'll know it's kind of like runny boogers and rocks, but damn, the flavor is so worth it. So scoop them out, goop them up, get slimy, and do what you can to separate it. I find that a ladle pushes a lot of the juice through pretty good. Kind of like breaks the little sacks apart. And here we're just kind of like letting gravity and a lot of motion just drop it through. So ultimately we need half a cup for this recipe. And there it is. So separating eggs, do it the way you will. We need 8 egg yolks. So scoop them off. Whoops, broke some. Anyway, keep the shells out, get those yolks, and save the egg whites for later. I like little omelets or something. We're going to do 2/3 of a cup of sugar. We're going to blend that into the egg yolks. Make it nice and consistent. Four cups heavy cream. Preheat the oven, 325. And we're going to start the cream to heat. We want to get it right to a boil. Same time we want to boil some water for our water bath. Pour the passion fruit juice into your egg mixture with the sugar and blend it together. That should be good. Alright, so we've been stirring the cream and it has reached boil, and we're going to let that cool a little bit. And here's the tricky part. You need to pour the cream in very slowly, otherwise you're going to have scrambled eggs. So pour in a little bit and mix. Pour in a little bit more and mix. And eventually it's going to be a nice, smooth combination. Like I said, if you do too fast, you're just going to cook the eggs and you're going to have floating chunks of an omelet in there. So take your time, do it slow. I sped this up for your viewing pleasure, but really this is important. So go easy, get it consistent. I think we're pretty incorporated here. So I'm dumping this back into a easier pouring container, and we're going to scoop off the froth. Again, this is a time a lot of people will strain it as well. I didn't this time, but I usually do. I'm going to fill up these are like old teacups instead of ramekins, but a nice wide ramekin is ideal. Boiling water, remember it? This is for a water bath. This helps everything cook smoothly, evenly, consistently. And we're going to put that in the oven and put it to bake. 30 minutes later, check it. If it jiggles instead of pours, we've done good. So pull it out, let them cool, get that out of the water bath and get ready to enjoy a decadent treat. So the whole thing about creme brulee is it's got a sugar crust. And basically you sprinkle the sugar on. You're going to get out your fancy torch, either a kitchen torch, or in my case, I got something special from the garage. Dun 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 dun, the Burns-O-Matic. It's like super heat, super fast. But here's a secret. Don't go fast, go slow. Be gentle, spread your sugar out, take your time with it. If you go too fast, you're gonna just torch the sugar and you're gonna end up like overcooking a marshmallow when you're making s'mores. It'll be like fireball, flame and smoke. So go slow. You can see that it's starting to like kind of caramelize a little bit. And sometimes if you want, you can shake it or just, like I said, take your time and practice. Gosh, you got like 8 to 10 tries at every batch, so you'll get it. Look at those bubbles. I think that's like the real hint that they're kind of like working together when it's kind of like boiling on the surface. Nice caramel coating. Look there. Look at that. I want to eat it right now. Alright, couple those passion fruit seeds on there to add a little nuance of crunch, and we're gonna enjoy this. Boom, you hear that? That's what you want. Look at that. It's like eating a lollipop on top. Sure, there's a little sugar that didn't get cooked on there, but oh man, you think I care? Gobble gobble. Oh, I want this in my mouth right now. Why do I wait so long? I need to make more of this stuff. Anyway, if you like this, try it out. Like it, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Tell me how you like your passion fruit creme brulee. Tell me what kind of creme brulee you like. Anyway, peace.